Hi everyone, just a quick YouTube tip from us at Kappa Computer Systems. If you're watching a YouTube video and the video seems blurred, what you want to do is check your quality settings. So you can go down here to the little settings wheel, click on it, select quality, and go to your highest setting. Here we have 720p, which is usually optimal. And there you go. You'll see your video clear right up for you so that you're able to view it much better. Thanks. Hi everyone, this is Lucy from Kappa Computer Systems. In this video, I'm going to show you some different ways to identify malicious emails that may come into your inbox by using some malicious emails as examples. So the first example I have is an email titled Executed Contract. So the first thing I look at it is who it's from. It's coming from Elaine Sway. And whether I know Elaine or not, I look at the email address that it's coming from, and it does not correlate to Elaine Sway at all. It's a very suspicious email address that doesn't have anything to do with Elaine Sway and her being a broker realtor at Century 21. So right there, that tells me that this is a malicious email. But let me show you some other identifiers in this email. This body of the email is asking me to sign it and return it back immediately. Now, whether I know Elaine or not, it's not addressing me by name. So that is pretty suspicious. Lastly, we have the attachments that come along with the email. With these, you never want to click on them. What you can do is hover your mouse over these links and see where that link will take you if you do click on it. And here you see it's a very suspicious link that again has nothing to do with Century 21 or even Elaine Sway. So again, I know that this is a malicious email, and just you always want to hover over and never click. Always check. Okay, so this email is going to be deleted. So I'm going to go ahead and show you another one. This one came in as an encrypted secure mail gateway email, which can be common if you're sending important data and confidential data. A lot of times people can encrypt it and send it to you through an encryption service. Now here we see it's coming from Lee Courtright. Whether I know Lee Courtright or not, I look at her email address and see that it's coming from a totally different email. So right there, I know this is a malicious email. But I'm going to go ahead and show you again that of course you can hover over the link without clicking on it to see where that leads you. And again, another very suspicious path to where this document is supposedly supposed to open. So again, this one will get deleted. It is not legitimate. The next example I have is an invoice that came in. And this one's tricky. So if I look, it came in from Hunter Douglas, and it's coming in from an interiors site email that could be legit. This doesn't look bad. But what I do question is that this invoice is addressed to the company website, not the full company name. So right there, that's suspicious. But we are going to go ahead and still hover over the link that they sent to view the invoice, and we see it comes from a site, Best Broker Ever. Totally nothing to do with Hunter Davis or any kind of interior design company. So again, this one I would delete just because of that link and because they're not addressing the company, they're addressing the company website. So that one I would definitely delete. Lastly, this one's kind of a little tricky too. This one is kind of meant to scare you. It's saying that it's coming from a server, and it's saying that you requested to deactivate your email. And if it was done a mistake, go ahead and click this link to deactivate it. So first thing, of course, I'm going to say, okay, it's a server message and it comes from a totally bogus email that has nothing to do with my email or Office or Microsoft. And if I hover over the link that they're asking me to cancel the deactivation, it goes to a very suspicious site that has nothing to do with Office or my email or Microsoft. But they did put this logo up here to try and make it look more legitimate. So these are the types that kind of scare you into trying to click onto something you're not supposed to. So those are some examples. Just be careful. Only open attachments that you're requesting. Be wary of emails that don't address you by name. And always hover your mouse over a link without clicking on it. So just always have a healthy suspicion. Keep yourself safe and keep your company safe. Everybody have a great day. Thank you for watching my video. Again, this is Lucy from Kappa Computer Systems.